Well guys, I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I wanted to get it wanted to do it before tomorrow, because it's supposed to start raining and everything. So here's the finished box. Got some onions. Might be a little late on them, but nevertheless got them in there. Son just helped me plant them. He's sick, so he's excited about the box. So anyway, this will be enough for us this year. I'll probably expand it next year, and maybe lengthen it. I don't know, either out that way or out this way, or maybe make a L-shaped, who knows. But anyway, dang, need to pick up my trash. Anyway, that's it for now. Gonna plan is to grow a few squash plants, and obviously some onions, and who knows what else. But anyway, there you have it.